Okay, guys, in example 3, they don't give us a picture. They just say that a cactus is 5 feet tall. I'm going to say it's a very slender cactus that looks remarkably like a line. The cactus is 5 feet tall and casts a shadow that is 1.5 feet long. Okay, 1.5 and 5. And you see how it makes a triangle? There it is. Okay. How tall is a nearby cactus that casts a shadow 8 feet long? Okay, I'm going to have to draw that a bit taller. Here's 8, right? Now, they want to know how tall that cactus is. Does that make sense, Zachary? Good. Zachary, help me set up the proportion. A fraction equaling a fraction. H over 5. Now, Zachary's going from right to left. Okay? He's putting the big one on top and the small one on the bottom. That's fine. But he needs to do the same thing in the other triangle, right? So, Zachary, what's the ratio for the other one? 8 over 1.5, right? So the two big measurements are on the top, the two small measurements are on the bottom. It doesn't matter which way, as long as I have the same for both fractions, right? For the one on the left, the top is the big one on both. It could be the small one, but it'd have to be two smalls. Okay, does that make sense to everybody? And then the big's on the bottom. Okay, let's cross multiply here, and we're going to get 1.5 times h is equal to 5 times 8 is 40. All right, what do I need to do, Hobbs? Divide by 1.5 on both sides. And what's the height of that cactus once you do that, Tut? 26.6 repeating?
Yep.
Feet?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now they gave us measurements in decimals, so I guess we can leave them in decimals. But that would be the same since it's 0.6 is the same as 2/3. So it would be 26 feet and how many inches, Liam? Do you remember?
26 feet and 9 inches.
Not 9 inches, but 8 inches. 9 would be 0.75. 8 is 0.6 repeating. 8 out of 12.
Why is the smaller triangle at the bottom?
Like we were saying, it doesn't matter. I could put the smaller measurements on in the numerators and put the bigger measurements in the denominators. I'm still going to get the same answer. I just have to make sure that I put them, that I have the same for each fraction. So I could have said 5, right? I could have said 5 over h, right? Those corresponding sides is equal to 1.5 over 8. Do you see how I put the small ones on the top for both of them and the big ones on the bottom? They have to correspond that way. And so when I multiply, I'm going to get 1.5h again is equal to not 80 but 40. Okay? All right, one last example before I let you go, and I've got to do this one. So here we go.